Hi y'all. Okay, so I've wanted to make this video for a very long time. This video is long overdue and I'm just so blessed, and I've accomplished so much in such short little amount of time. And sometimes I feel like I'm not always appreciating or recognizing all of the goals and all of the accomplishments that I have achieved. But this video is long overdue. I want to give thanks to everyone who has helped me along the way. I certainly could not have gotten here without any of y'all. I know you cannot do it alone, and there's so many people who have influenced me and helped me along my journey just being here in Los Angeles. I've met so many amazing people. But this video is about the pole. I've always wanted a mounted pole. And yeah, in last year, in kind of like mid-pandemic, I made it one of my missions to move into an apartment complex, get a pole, get a mirror, and a pull-up bar. And I achieved that all in the middle of a pandemic, and I could not have done it without everyone who has helped me. Shout out to Julio for installing these. He's a GC. I'm pretty sure he's a general contractor, and he does like construction type work. So yeah, he mounted the pole. Thank you, Nicole Williams, for selling me your pole. This is a 12-foot 5-inch pole, give or take a few inches, because you can twist it. It's static and spin. The mirror, I got it on OfferUp for a really great deal. I'm pretty sure I made a video on getting this mirror. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much, Julio, for installing this. Like, you went above and beyond. Your work is spectacular. It's like legit. You know, I'm not coming down from that. But yeah, so stick around to see everything it took to get this baby installed. Okay, so this is the apartment beforehand. I got the pole installed around Valentine's Day, hence the flowers. And Julio is so amazing. He literally brought all of his gear. He brought an electric saw, everything to repatch the ceiling, a tarp to catch all of the debris, the goopy stuff to, you know, cover up the wall, and everything. Like, legit everything.
Oh, that's what it looks like?
Mm-hmm. So literally, Julio did all of these crazy measurements, and he used a stud finder to find the beams in the ceiling. And pretty much the plan for this project is he found the two beams, and instead of the pole being mounted directly on one of the beams, he's securing another piece of wood across two beams, and then the pole is going to go on that center piece of wood in the middle, making it like extra super strong, if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure this was Julio's first time installing a pole, but I had 100% trust and faith in him that the job would be great, you know? And everything did turn out amazing in the end. The pole is still up. I haven't ripped it down. It's literally like seamless. You can't even tell the ceiling was cut open. And yeah, thank you so much once again, Julio, for doing this. You went above and beyond, and I can't thank you enough for making my dreams and visions come to reality. Thank you. It's Saturday, and it's the first Saturday, one of the first Saturdays that I've had off. I'm not working this afternoon, and I'm just so blessed to be able to reclaim my time and just do the things that I love and be with the people that I love. And right now I'm about to actually paint the ceiling. If you can see, there's kind of like a white spot. This is where he did the beam, and I'm about to go paint, so I'm just bringing y'all along. So I'm hella dead, y'all. So I'm painting this, and of course I buy the smallest paint roller. I don't know why. I guess I was just trying to save money. Wow, that looks pretty good. No one will ever know. Okay, y'all, so Julio is back, and I'm so excited because the pole's about to be mounted. He's also going to help me with the pull-up bar as well. I'm planning on putting a pull-up bar over here somewhere, and then the pole is being mounted right around here. See where this mark is gonna be where the pole goes. He's super awesome. He legit like did construction work on the ceiling, and it's very sturdy. So I'll leave his contact information below if you wanna hire him. So yeah. I'm not. Can you do a pull up on it? No. Wow. It's tough. What do you feel? It's strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm happy with that, man.
This is so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
It's so nice and it's perfect. Okay, that was the pole install. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you again so much, Julio, for everything you've done. He actually installed the pull-up bar as well. That's inside of the apartment, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.